Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Many of you have been asking for a closer look at the reactor coil disc. So this extended cut is dedicated to showing exactly how it's built. Let's reverse engineer the assembly. The entire disc assembly is securely mounted using two large nut and bolt pairs positioned on opposite sides for stability. Inserting the tube through the coils was a bit challenging, especially with everything already fixed in place. You are probably wondering why I'm taking this apart. Well, it's because I'm already working on an improved second version of the reactor with some major upgrades. For now, let's keep the electrolyzer section aside. Each copper coil is individually secured with its own nut and bolt. These LEDs are intentionally placed directly beneath the tube to create that soft, glowing effect similar to the arc reactor. To keep this video concise, I won't be removing all 10 coils. I'm starting with the first one as it's closest to the tube's entry point. If you're curious about the full reactor build, be sure to check out my previous video. I'm holding the screw head from the opposite side to prevent it from spinning. And here's the coil itself. It's made from an aluminium strip neatly wrapped in black insulation tape for protection and aesthetics. Always drill the holes in these strips first before bending them into their final shape. You can also add these 3 additional strips for even more detail, making it resemble a true reactor core. If you are enjoying this build series and want to see more content like this, consider subscribing to the channel. It really helps support the projects. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.